Hey, creative minds, welcome to Ariba's Design Odyssey. In today's video, I'll show you how to choose the best color combinations for your logo and branding using AI tools. If you're a graphic designer, business owner, or branding expert, this video will help you pick the perfect colors to make your brand stand out. Plus, I'll share free AI tools that generate stunning color palettes in seconds. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll also share how to design a complete logo using AI tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Why colors matter in branding. Before picking colors, it's important to know why they matter in branding. Colors create emotions and perceptions. For example, red excitement, passion. Blue trust, professionalism. Yellow happiness, energy. Using AI tools, we can easily find the best matching color schemes that align with our brand's personality. Let's explore how. Step 2. Best free AI tools for color selection. Here are the top AI-powered tools that generate perfect color palettes for branding. 1. Coolors auto-generates perfect color schemes instantly. 2. Chroma learns your color preferences and suggests palettes. Three. ColorMind uses deep learning to generate fresh colors. Four. Humint best for branding and UI designs. Let me show you how to use these tools to generate stunning color palettes in seconds. Step 3. How to apply colors to logo branding. Now that we have a color palette, let's apply it to a logo design. You can use AI tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, or Loka to generate logo designs in minutes. Follow these 3 easy steps. 1. Upload your color palette into Canva/Adobe Firefly. 2. Choose a modern logo template. 3. Adjust typography color balance for a professional look, and boom! Your brand's color identity is ready, and that's how you can easily create stunning color combinations using AI tools. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Ariba's Design Odyssey, and let me know in the comments what topic you want next. Want more AI-powered design hacks? Check out my playlist for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.